Hi guys, today we will explain about how to add threads to Instagram bio. The process is simple and easy. The first thing you have to do is open your Instagram application. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon which is on the bottom right. After tapping on your profile icon, take a look on the bottom of my name. You will see the icon of thread. So, how can you add it? For this, you need to create your thread account with the help of your Instagram account. Because thread have a way in which you can log in into thread using your Instagram account. And how can you do it? Take a look on the right top. You will see three options. From this option, you have to tap on the option thread, and you can see I have my thread account. And once you will log in into thread using your Instagram account, go back to Instagram and tap on the option edit profile and scroll down, and here you will find the option show threads page. If this page will be off, then you have to turn it on. Then the thread will be added into your Instagram bio, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.